In this video tutorial, I'm going to install Ubuntu desktop environment on my Ubuntu server 22.04. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Ubuntu desktop environment on our Ubuntu server 22.04. I'm not sure we call this Ubuntu or X Ubuntu, whatever it is, but I'm going to install that. Okay, so first of all, I just installed Ubuntu Server 22.04. Okay, I just logged in and let me show you this as well. So you can see it's a virtual machine and operating system is Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. All right, so I'm going to log in this into the PuTTY application. The step number 1 is always update the index with apt update and apt upgrade with Y. So it's going to update and upgrade at the same time. It's almost completed, progress 99%. And then after that, we will simply install Ubuntu desktop. Okay, it's updated and upgraded. So the command for Ubuntu installation is apt install. So if you're working as a user, you're going to type sudo apt install, but I'm working as a root, so I'm just going to type apt install x Ubuntu or Ubuntu dash desktop and hit enter. So I'm not gonna fast forward this because there is something which you need to understand while installation of this. So first it's gonna ask you after this operation, this like almost 3 GB additional space will be required. So this is for the whole package. You can see it's showing whatever packages are going to be installed with this one. So I want the minimal version of this one. I'm gonna say no, so it will abort the installation. So that option is optional, but in case if you don't want the recommended applications, you can do apt install dash dash no dash install dash recommends, and then x Ubuntu. So that's how I can remember the spellings. Dash desktop. Okay, so now you can see previously it was saying 3 GB of additional space will be required, but now it's saying only 700, and newly installed would be 485. If we go above, if we can see that here, here it was saying 1396. So additionally, like if we want to install anything, we can install that later while the desktop environment is installed. So I'm gonna continue with no install recommends, but if you wanna install with the default setting, you just need to type apt install Ubuntu desktop, and then it will install everything which is recommended by the desktop environment. Okay, and this was just 700 MBs plus, so hopefully it will not take that long because my internet connection is good. And yeah, there is one more thing that's gonna pop up in the middle of installation. So yeah, let me pause the video recording for now, and once it comes up, I will show you that. It's almost 99% completed, and there was something supposed to be popped up maybe after 100%, and I'm gonna show you that. Just bear with me. This was not supposed to be come up, but okay. So it's saying restarting services, daemons using outdated libraries for dbus, and all this. So wait, service should be restarted, so I'm gonna say all of them. Okay, and then I'm going to reboot this machine, and then I'm gonna go into the VMware just to see if the desktop environment is coming up. Okay, the server is kind of up and started. Now it's loading all of the desktop environment stuff. And I think it's almost loaded with all of the services. Yeah, I can see the mouse pointer. There we go. So it was super simple. You just need to understand the steps, like what you're doing first, and then uh, it's just one command. But with the no install recommends, you're gonna get the simplest, or you can say the minimal version of desktop environment. But if you go with with the apt install Ubuntu desktop, then you will get everything in the desktop environment. And other than that, what should supposed to pop up, which was not popped up in while the installation, it was like when I installed the Ubuntu desktop. Normally it pop up and ask me for the display manager, what display manager you want to choose. So you can choose in between GDM3 or Light DM. And for Genome, I mean the Ubuntu desktop, the GDM3 is preferred, and that's default as well. But all others, like this one is the second one. In my previous video I showed simple Ubuntu desktop GUI environment installation. This one is the lighter version of desktop installation, and this is Ubuntu, and this is using Light DM for now. And you can see I have like same desktop environment, and I can like see the date. I think it is correct. Open terminal here, no application selected. So we have like Debian X terminal emulator, X terminal, or the genome terminal. I can select the genome terminal as well. So here we go. We have everything here. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you want to know how to install Ubuntu server desktop environment, you can just simply click on the video above. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.